Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add extra baggage to your Air Astana booking. First, open your browser and search for Air Astana Managing Booking. Click the first link that appears. Next, enter your surname and booking reference number. Then click Continue to access your flight details. Once your booking loads, look for the option to add extra baggage. Choose the weight you want to add, proceed to payment, and confirm your purchase. And that's it. Your extra baggage will be added to your booking instantly. And that's how to add extra baggage to your Air Astana booking. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.